the directions of the magnetic field can be determined by two methods or two rules. Maxwell's screw rule and the right hand grip rules. Okay. Personally, I prefer the second one, the right hand grip rules. Okay. I seldom use the Maxwell's screw rule. But anyway, in SPM, you still need to know Maxwell's screw rule. Okay. Because sometimes in objective questions, they will draw the diagrams of Maxwell's screw rules, and then they will ask you, okay, which one is the correct use of Maxwell's screw rule. So you still need to know Maxwell's screw rules. Even though if you don't like Maxwell's screw rule, you still need to know. In my tuitions, okay, usually I will use right hand grip rules to show you the directions of the field. So let's start with right hand grip rules. Right hand grip rules, of course, from the name, then you should know that you should use your right hand. Don't use your left hand, because a lot of students are right-handed in exam. Okay, so they use their right hands to write. When they see questions, okay, so straight away they will use their left hands to find the field. That's not correct. So if you're right-handed, so if you see the questions, then you have to put down your pen, okay, and then use your right hand to find the directions of the field. Make sure that you use the right hand. Okay, so for this right hand grip rules, you just imagine that this is a wire. Okay, this is a wire. So you use your right hand to grip the wire. Okay, to grip the wire in this way, and the thumb shows the directions of the current. Okay, the thumb shows the directions of the current. So this is current. And the other four fingers show the directions of the field. So the thumb shows the directions of the currents. The other fingers show the directions of the field. So to see. So this one, okay, because the finger shows that is anti-clockwise. So the field is anti-clockwise. The currents go up. The currents go up, and then the field is counterclockwise. Okay, so that is how we use the right hand grip rules to determine the directions of the field. Then for the Maxwell screw rules, so you just imagine that you have a screw. The sharp end of the screw shows the directions of the current. The directions of the current. Then you try to imagine that if you want to tighten a screw, if you ever use this screw and screwdrivers, okay, when you want to tighten the screw, we always turn clockwise, okay, and that is the directions of the field. So this point to the directions of the current, and we turn. We always turn clockwise for screw. If you want to tighten the screw, we always turn clockwise. So that is the directions of the field. So that is how we use these right hand grip rules or Maxwell's screw rules to determine the directions of the field. We seldom use this one. Okay, for me, I don't like this method, but you still you need to know. Okay. Yeah, it may come out in objective questions. They would like you to identify the directions of the field by using Maxwell screw rules.